Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to update your gig without losing rank. The first step you need to take when you want to update your Fiverr gig without losing rank is 1. Minor edits. Fix typos, adjust pricing or add FAQs as they are all low risk. Next one, media upgrades. Swap images or videos for better samples. Always keep keywords. Thirdly is service tweaks. Add new packages or extras. Don't remove existing ones. Now here are mistakes to avoid. 1. Changing your niche. Do not switch from YouTube editing to wedding videos. It will confuse Fiverr's algorithm. Second mistake to avoid is overhauling keywords. Don't delete or replace all tags or titles at once. Do not delete, replace all tags or titles at once. Next mistake is removing popular packages. Do not do that. Keep best-selling tiers to maintain history. Here's a pro tip. Make small changes every 3 to 5 days instead of bulk edits. Test updates during low traffic hours, e.g. late night. Example of safe updates is added YouTube Shorts editing as a new extra service without removing existing packages. Stick to gradual tweaks to protect your rankings. Hope you found this video helpful.